Alright, so now you need to turn your table over. If you're working from the floor, just have somebody help you flip it over and set it upright on the legs. The next thing you're going to want to do is to open the box that contains the sewing head. Be careful when opening the box. You got brass staples in. They will cut you. Just be aware of what you're doing when you're pulling them out. Make sure you get them all out. Don't leave any staples in the box. Then make sure you throw them away. Inside the box, you'll have a protected cardboard piece that can go in the garbage. You'll have another box sitting on top that's going to contain your wet pan, your oil pan, all your accessories to the machine. That is your thread stand and all the accessories to it and the mounting hardware for it. That is your knee lift. This is your stop for your machine. This little piece right here actually goes inside this piece right here. So when you operate your knee lift, it'll lift your foot up. This is your bobbin winder. That is your head mount and hinge pads and hinges for you to allow you to tilt the head back. Occasionally, these little rubber things will fall off during shipping. Just put them back in their holes. They will be in the box. And that is your machine cover and a pulley, your hand wheel.